some more.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं 9th क्लास के मैथमेटिक्स का डिलीटेड पोर्शन बताने वाला हूँ। सीबीएसई सिलेबस में 9th क्लास में मैथमेटिक्स में क्या डिलीट करना है, क्या आपको तैयार नहीं करना है। तो मैं चैप्टर 1 से स्टार्ट करता हूँ। मैथमेटिक्स का एनसीईआरटी बुक का जो चैप्टर 1 है, इवन यू आर फॉलोइंग अदर बुक्स ऑल्सो, देन ऑल्सो यू कैन नो बाय इट। सो फ्रॉम चैप्टर 1 एक्सरसाइज 1.4, एक्सरसाइज 1.4 मीन्स visualizing the number on the number line should be deleted. Visualizing the number on the number line not to do, नहीं करना है, और बाकी rest of the portion आपको करना है। Then chapter 2 is the polynomials. In polynomials, from exercise 2.5, question number 11, 12 and 13 are deleted because they are based on identity a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equals to a plus b plus c in the first bracket into second bracket a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Based sums on this identity don't do, don't prepare, नहीं करना है। Then chapter 3 is the coordinate geometry, there is no deletion. Then chapter 4 is linear equations in two variables. Linear equations in two variables, there is also no deletion, means everything you have to prepare from chapter 3 and 4. Then chapter 5 is Euclid's geometry. Euclid's geometry is completely deleted from chapter 5. Don't prepare anything, it is completely deleted. Then chapter 6 is lines and angles. From lines and angles you have to do everything, सब कुछ करना है, nothing is deleted. Then chapter 7 is the triangles. From triangles only the deleted portion is the triangle inequality properties. Triangle inequality properties means only you have to delete that the angle opposite to the longer side is greater, or same thing for the shorter also. That portion you have to delete, means the last exercise should be deleted. Then you come on chapter 8. Chapter 8 is quadrilateral. There nothing is deleted. Chapter 8 आपको पूरा करना है. Then chapter 9 is completely deleted. Chapter 9 में कुछ भी आपको तैयार नहीं करना है. That is the areas of triangles and parallelogram, that should not be done. Then from chapter 10 is a circle. You have to prepare everything, only one theorem is deleted, and circle passes through 3 points. Only accept that theorem, there everything you have to do. It means you have to prepare everything from circle, chapter 10. Then chapter 11 is the construction, geometrical construction. You have to do all the constructions except one construction, when the sum of three sides of a triangle is given, means the perimeter of a triangle is given. That only construction you have to delete, not to prepare. Then from chapter 12 is Heron's formula. Heron's formula you have to do everything. Chapter 13 is surface area and volumes. You have to do everything. Then chapter 14 is statistics. From statistics, everything is deleted. Only the two things are left. They are the frequency distribution table and bar graph. आपको सिर्फ दो चीजें तैयार करना है, फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन टेबल एंड बार ग्राफ. बाकी सब कुछ स्टैटिस्टिक्स से छोड़ देना है, नहीं करना है. देन चैप्टर 15 द प्रोबेबिलिटी. फ्रॉम प्रोबेबिलिटी नथिंग इज डिलीटेड. यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम प्रोबेबिलिटी. Now the question comes about theorems. There are so many theorems in 9th class. Then what shall be done, what not? So I will tell you the theorems you have to do with proof. प्रूफ के साथ जो थ्योरम आपको तैयार करना है उसके बारे में बता रहा हूं. फर्स्ट इज थ्योरम 6.1 vertically opposite angles theorem. Vertically opposite angles theorem, that is theorem number 6.1 in NCERT. Even other books are there you can see vertically opposite angles theorem आपको करना है. Then theorem number 6.7 angles sum property of a triangles theorem. Then 7.2 that is isosceles triangle theorem, means angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. Then theorem number 8.1. Theorem number 8.1 is a diagonal divides the parallelogram into two congruent triangles. This theorem also you have to do with proof. Then theorem 10.1, that 10.1 is equal chords obtain equal angles at the center. Then the theorem number 10.8. 10.8 is the angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by the same arc at any point on the remaining part of the circle. This theorem also you have to do with proof. So total 6 theorems are there. आपको जो complete proof के साथ तैयार करना है. I hope you have understood the meaning of deleted and not deleted portion, and you watch this video again and again, then you will know what to prepare, what not to prepare, and you will do your exam well. So all the best. Have a great day.